Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today we're here with Best Lace Wigs again. My second time trying them out. So yeah, it's the same packaging as last time. Has their name listed, you know, their site, all that stuff. It says 100% human hair with affordable price. I already went ahead and took out the wig, guys. Sorry. I went ahead and took out the wig because I had to take a peek. I just couldn't hold myself. So today's wig is a headband wig, okay, just to get that out of the way. So I'm seeing the information card. They say information card, you know, hair care, social media, everything like that is listed on the inside. And I got 3 headbands. I got this edge brush and comb, love getting these, and I got a wig cap lastly. And for the wig, it's 20 inches long, 150% in density, and it's a kinky straight texture. This is how it looks, but today I feel like I want to do some one curls. This is the headband portion, you know, regular. You can adjust this to be tighter. It has combs on the inside. It's a total of 4 combs, you know, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and that's adjustable straps if you need it to be tighter. This is also a medium cap size, okay? Sorry about the noises in the back, guys. It's kids playing. I'm so sorry about that. Forgive me. But yeah, this is how it looks. So let's jump into this easy install. No glue, no lace, no form of adhesive. So this is how it looks. You guys know this texture, like no matter what, this texture keep on coming back, and I can understand why, because it's kinky straight and it's very like versatile. You really can straighten this and it's like really nice and flowy. I've done videos in the past where I've done that, but today I'm actually going to wand it up because I usually just go ahead and straighten it. I'm going to put some nice wand curls in this, so it's gonna give you more of like a natural girl curly vibe. So I have my wand, I have my section clips here that I'm going to use to hold the curls in place. And so okay, I have 3 headbands. I think I should decide on the headband before I go in and curl it because I don't want to mess up my curls. I already got this style, let me show you. So I won't try on, I already got all these styles before. This is how this one looks. That's the pattern. It's like lines. So I love this material. Even in my previous headband wig I got like a light blue. Love the material. And then I also got this one, just like the red one, same material, same style. So I think I'm gonna go with this one actually, or should I do the red? Maybe I should do the red because, you know, I actually love that, the nude one. That's how that looks. It's cute. That's so cute. Alright, so now I have that like that. What I love about this texture too, they don't usually shed on me like that, like all hair sheds. But so basically minimal shedding right now. Absolutely no strands. No strands. And it's very thick. It feels very strong, you know. Yeah, I love that.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you. The sky. hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Love with you. Give up this
Alright guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and curled the hair up. I didn't do it in extremely like small sections because I kind of wanted that fluffed look. So yeah, I would say if you want the curls to be tighter, apply like, you know, like a holding spray or something. Like today I have this. I didn't actually apply this though, but I'm just saying if you plan to like have your curls last, it's very nice if you're going for that natural vibe, that natural look, you know, this is it. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's really soft, you know, it's definitely of that coarser feel. And yes, all my naturalistas, all the girls that want to embrace that look, this wig is for you. And for some reason I always come back to this texture, you know. I'm trying to give you guys variety. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in the description box. Shout out to Best Lace Wigs again for this wig. It's really gorgeous and the headband is really cute. Really, and it feels really secure in my head. As usual, you guys know it has 4 combs on the inside, so if you want this to be secure, just stick it in. I know some people say they get a headache, so if that's the case, if you're getting a headache from the combs, you can just adjust the strap and that should help with, you know, securing it more on your head. But yeah, that's it for today guys. Very easy, no lace, no glue, no form of adhesive. Slip on and go and you still look cute. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. As I said before, check out the description box, like this video, share this video, and yeah, just want to stay tuned, one big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.